Hey everyone, welcome back today. We have some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A06. This device has been spotted on Geekbench and certified by the FCC, giving us a glimpse into its specs and features. Let's dive in. Starting with the processor, the Galaxy A06 will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 socket. This is the same chip used in its predecessor, the Galaxy A05. While it's not an upgrade, the G85 is known for providing decent performance in budget-friendly devices. Moving on to the battery, the FCC certification revealed that the Galaxy A06 will have a battery capacity rated at 4,855 mAh. This means the typical advertised value will be 5,000 mAh, just like the A05. So you can expect similar battery life, which should be sufficient for a full day of use. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy A06 will support dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 4G LTE. However, it won't have 5G support, as the Helio G85 chipset doesn't support this newer network standard. Now let's talk about the size. The Galaxy A06 measures 167.3, 77.31 millimeters in height and width. This makes it slightly less tall and less wide than the A05, giving it a more compact feel. Unfortunately, the thickness hasn't been revealed yet, but we'll keep you updated as more information comes out. These are all the details we have for now. Since the Galaxy A06 is currently going through the certification process, more information should be available soon. Make sure to stay tuned to your channel name for the latest updates on this device. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.